Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So today we are situated on the south side mound here at Manchester Airport, awaiting the departure of this Boeing 767, carrying the Rolling Stones and also having the Rolling Stones livery, but on the other side, which we'll see when the aircraft's taken off. So some of you may know that I did catch this aircraft on Tuesday, arriving at the airport, so if you haven't checked that video out, I recommend you do so after this one. But yeah guys, gonna get a good shot of this one today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy.
Good afternoon, Top 10,